feeding the birds. Cool. Someone's getting cold. You've got a good thing. I mean, you've got a good throw in there. These birds were far away and they came all the way over. Cheryl's calling them ponytail birds because they've got little dinky ponytails. We were over the other side, nice and calm, until these kids come over the fence and started shouting at the birds, scaring them away. Come on, birdies. Oh, here come the ducks. Here they come. Don't throw all the seed away. We'll save it then. Here come the quack quacks. What did I call them? The ducks. I've got the geese and the ducks wrong. It's very pleasant. Here they come. Wank, 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 wank. I tell you what, compared to the moorhens, the ducks really swim fast, don't they? Look how they all come. Hey, look. Wank, 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 wank. Hello. Say hello.
Hello.
Oh, blimey, your face is big. It's lovely out this close. Smile.